Hello. Today we will learn how to set up a project. Open main menu and click Processes and Projects. Inside the unit you will find 4 different viewing options, search tabs, filters and folder categorization, and a multi-selection option with a great variety of options. Furthermore, on the top of the page you will find 3 buttons: Creation button, Reports button and Action button. Click on the plus button to create a new project. Start with filling the title and the basic information. Select a business category, write the assignees and fill the fields you want. In the scheduling you need to add all the information related with schedule time and dates. Add your location info and the administrators. You can always create relations between files, messages, folders, and many more. Finally, set project's currency and the targeted turnover. When the project will be completed, we will add in the final turnover. In Invoicing you can add invoicing type. This is our new project. On the top left corner there are 2 buttons, the one which edits the project and Action button. Through it you can refresh, delete, print, create linkings, notifications, duplicate projects, print your notes and make a copy and process scheduling. In Summary tab you will find the information which you added before and other functionalities, like the ability to upload folders and write notes. Now it's Gantt Chart time. In Gantt Chart's main Action button you will find 6 different options. Next to our project's name there is another Action button, which is about our project. Click on it and see the 3 main choices which you will find. Here we will start of creating a new work package. A new pop-up opens and you have to fill all the necessary fields. Notice that some fields are filled automatically. We will accelerate the creation process. This is our new Gantt chart. When you click on Work Packages Action button you will see several functionalities. Open the work package or create a new one. See the estimated resources, set deliverables, requirements and milestones. Finally, edit, delete, create a notification or add incomes and expenses. We will analyze Work Packages tab in the second video for projects. You can add a requirement through this Action button or from its tab. Click on the plus button, add your requirements details and click on Save. After you finish a requirement you can assign it in a work package. Now it's time to set the deliverables. There are as before 2 ways of adding a deliverable, but here we will use Gantt Chart's Action button. After you will finish your deliverable you can view, edit or delete it. Now let's explore Risks tab. Add the risks, its impact and probability. After you add all of these, system will create a new variable called Overall Risk. According to this, risk will have a different color. As far as Actions tab, the fields which you can add are the same. In Assumptions you can add all the general assumptions which are related to this project. We will use Lessons Learned tab at the end, so let's move on and create an issue. Of course, you can delete this issue whenever you want. It's time for resource budgeting. Here you will find two viewing options and a plus button. Click on it to start. Add work package's name, the resource and the quantity. We will create 5 different resources quickly to see their type differences. We've created 4 different types: hardware, software, financial and labor. Also, here is the chart view. After you will finish your resource budgeting, you will need to convert them in expenses. Under resource budgeting, there are also 4 other units which only the financial manager have access to them. We will now set Virginia as division's financial manager. Let's continue now. In resource budgeting, all the converted resources have turned green. Here there are all the converted budgeting expenses. Of course, you can delete or create a new expense. To create a new expense, you need to click on the plus button and add all the necessary information. Budget Income tab works exactly in the same way. What comes next is Search Personnel tab. From here you can find whoever you want via a variety of filters. Firstly, we will make a search with setting division, company and job title. Nancy and Paula meets the requirements. From here you can assign quickly a task or book a personnel. We will create a book for our first work package. Let's try another search. Click on the plus button next to desired skills. Notice that not only personnel is displayed but also in job titles. Nancy is a financial business analyst, but we can book them to work as something else. After we create this bookings, a notification will be sent in Line Manager in order to approve, reject or reassign this booking. Let's swap to Line Manager's profile. Here Clara has just received the notifications. Click on them to open Personal's Booking Requests tab. Click on the desired one and choose your answer. Now back to Virginia. Answers notification have just came. Click Personnel Booking to see her answers. Be careful, as her final answer is represented in the 3rd column. Of course, you can add a new booking from the plus button too. Let's learn more for Resources Used tab. Click on the plus button to create a new one, add resources details and finally click Save. We will create quickly 6 different resources. Here are all the used resources and their details. Notice how their type differs in each one. Okay. Let's swap now to Pending Hours tab. Here you will find all the tasks which had been approved or rejected, and of course, all the pending ones. We will add right now a task to see how it looks like. Here it is. Through this tab you can easily approve or reject this task. As Financial Manager you will have access to 2 more tabs, Incomes and Expenses. These fields are the same as before. The only change is that here you have to add actual transactions. What comes next is Pending Expenses tab. This one works like Pending Hours. Set your filters and click Reload. Your choices are 3. To approve, to reject or to download the receipt. Here is the approved expense. As a financial manager, you will have access to another tab too, called Financial Breakdown. Here you will find the target, the final turnover and the actual cost. All the expenses and the incomes are here to check them, like the budgeting you did. In order to change final turnover, click on the pencil button to edit the project. In the bottom of this long list of tabs there are 4 useful which you can use. Notifications, tags, links and activity history. Notifications are all the notifications from the actions made in the project. Tags and links can help you set all the needed connections, and through activity history you can see all the changes you've made. Just before you finish your project, click the tab Lessons Learned and you can add all the lessons you've learned through this project. Final tab, Dashboard. While process is running, you can monitor your project through this charts and metrics. To complete your project, click on its State tab on the right top corner. Choose Complete, add all the necessary details and click Save. Watch the second part of Projects videos to learn everything about Projects unit.